just went to our first anchorage just off a little island, and we're heading to another anchorage, but tonight it's going to be really windy through this little passage. This little inlet's apparently like a express whatever zone, like the wind just funnels through, and it's going to be really windy tonight, so I don't want to be stuck anchoring anywhere around here. I'm just like beelining it straight through here because I just want to get the hell out of this little spot and try and be safe tonight.
The joys of a dog on a sailboat.
Let's
all
have
of
a
our
look.
ropes are covered in dog hair. It's disgusting.
You're such a mess, Jackson. Look what you're doing. You're getting dog food all over the ground. You got dog hair all over the ropes. Look at this one. Oh, look at all that. So you're going to travel with a dog. This is what you got to expect, I guess, isn't it? Now it's Brittany's turn to wash her hair.
Alright, I think we found our anchorage for the night. Oh, it's really cool.
I don't want to do it. Can you give me a buoy in case I get run over?
Nobody's even here. We just anchored and Ryan was blasting the bow thrusters and now one's broken, so he has to jump in and see
Yeah,
what's
it's like
going
a
on.
blast that I just was using it.
Where's he going, Jackson? Oh my god. Where'd he go? Oh.
Looking to split.
Jackson, we're here.
This is right next door to Split, like the harbour. So you can anchor here for free, I guess, or you can go and pay €250 and go to the Split harbour. We haven't filmed much since we arrived because we broke our laptop, so we've just beelined it straight here, haven't we? So that you haven't missed out on much. Last night we just stopped off in a little tiny bay. We didn't even see it, did we? It was dark when we anchored.
So just to add to the scandals that have been going on, like I'm pretty sure those people just behind Ryan are having. Oh, yep.
They definitely are. That is classic.
Jackson, how do you feel about that? That's inappropriate. Didn't their mothers teach them any manners? I'm not even gonna pretend I don't notice anymore. I'm just gonna start making it obvious. Yeah, if you go straight, you're all right, except for this rock right here. Oh, she's having a great time.
That's why we need an aluminium dinghy, because I keep bringing it up on these rocks, eh?
Either she's practicing for the opera house, or things got really good.
Oh, Brittany just stepped to Jackson's poo bag.
Okay, go.
Do the squish between your toes.
Ryan fell asleep. He's really tired. So I'm currently feeding him like a baby bird.
Let me take Jackson for a walk. I slept on my hip wrong. Oh, I feel 80, 90. I can't.
Move about as fast as an 8-year-old.
Because my hip's sore. You know what? Today's D-Day to get this bloody laptop. We've gone on for about a whole week trying to fix it and everything. So we're going to get this laptop. But we're just leaving this Anchorage, this free Anchorage right next to Split. So we might go back there tonight because it's free and it's pretty close to everything. But after we saw the old couple having we worked out that that's the nudist beach that we're on.
Tell them about the man on the rocks.
Oh, and then this morning, you know, Brittany's got her bikinis on and everything, and we're cruising by the dinghy, and he's sitting there staring at me, having a locking eyes. Nah, I was always looking at you, but still.
So we come to the conclusion that Europeans are very wild.
I guess right now is probably the best time to say like and subscribe to our channel. Brittany just dropped me off, you might be able to see her behind me. Going back to the boat in the tender. I'm going to try and fix this laptop. Alright, we're at the halfway mark. It's so humid and I'm sweating like a pig. About 36 degrees, a few kilometers away, but we made it. The Mall of Split. Apparently I'm in the wrong shopping centre to go to the Apple shop. It isn't all bad. I sat there at McDonald's for an hour trying to figure out internet. I went to the phone shop, bought about a month's worth of phone cards while I'm here, and I got Jackson a whole bunch of treats for his for being Jackson, I guess. So now I'm gonna catch a cab and go to this other shopping mall. Alright, I've just gone to the city centre 1 in Split here. Nice air conditioning again. Sorry, Brittany. Yeah, that will do. There we go. Alright, we've got Jackson's treats, we've got Brittni's songs, we've got the phone stuff, and I've just found iStyle. So let's see what we can do here. Oh man, I'm so happy. He gave us a HDMI cable to Type-C USB. He just got out of spending $2,500 on a new computer. Nah, I'm so happy right now because we've got a TV on the boat. Now we can plug this cord into TV and the laptop. Really happy now we got this fixed.
Alright, I'm making coffee.
One
no, I want to make coffee!
There was a slide at the supermarket, Brittany, and I thought this is going to be so epic. I need the GoPro, I'm going to go down this slide. And on my way back, I went to go do it, and there was about 50 kids all lined up for it, and there was no adults. And I was like, alright, maybe I'm not meant to be on this slide.
You can't be that guy.
I can't. Well, we fixed the laptop! I'm so happy. Doing a happy dance. Doing a happy dance. Oh, Jackson! If you could have had the ladder down. Okay, I get you. You like the salt. It's okay.
I think we go back to the spot we were at last night.
Brittany, we saw a lot of and a lot of people having I don't really want to go back there. I'm all out. Sorry, for all my friends back home who think I'm the pervert, here we are going past the nude beach again where we anchored last night. Now we're going past it and you're standing there counting the amount of you can see on the beach.
Oh, there's like 3 dogs over there. That's cute.
Are they naked?
Of course they are. Dogs don't wear clothes.
Hey, you go for your walk? Behind me there's this big like nature reserve, I guess, just behind Split, which is pretty awesome. Jackson barked at a few dogs. Actually, didn't do too bad. But now we're just sitting here on the rocks watching the sunset. Brittany's gone to Little to go buy some food, so today I turned the brightness up, but it's getting pretty dark here. But Brit, I was just explaining that you went to Little to get some food because, again, we're running dry.
Yeah.
This is the first Little we've been to a month.
We
didn't get a lot of food,
of
but
stuff.
we're going to carry so much.
I got fruit, vegetables, pastries, and cheese.
But I was just saying, I just walked Jackson in this cool little park here.
It's so nice in there.
Hey, honestly, be really careful. It's so sharp. I almost cut my foot open just stepping on it softly.
Ah!
We just got dropped off on these guys on the catamaran over there. Our outboard shit itself, hasn't it?
Yep.
Oh, that's what Jackson would be doing. He's not. Oh. Oh man, you're doing alright. I'm carrying, these things are heavy.
Mine's heavy too.
Hard work. The water bottles that are killing me. These guys are awesome. English couple on their boat have offered us their car, and now they've chopped us off and picked us up, so our tender broke down so we get food. They're amazing.
I was wondering why you were being such a jerk about it. Don't! Oh. What's that?
Like and subscribe. It's got hair in my face. Ah, Jackson. Jackson says like and describe.
Describe.
Like and subscribe. He's really heavy. He's tricking me. Like